In the dynamic world of online business, pay-per-click advertising has emerged as a dominant force. PPC offers a direct line to your target audience, allowing you to showcase your products or services to those actively searching for them. Its appeal lies in its immediate visibility and measurable results, making it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. Unlike organic strategies that can take time to gain traction, PPC delivers instant exposure, putting your brand front and center. PPC advertising operates on a simple yet powerful principle. You pay only when someone clicks on your ad. This pay-for-performance model offers a level of transparency and control that traditional advertising methods often lack. You can set specific budgets, target specific demographics, and track your return on investment with precision. This level of control empowers businesses to optimize their campaigns in real time, ensuring that every dollar spent is working towards their goals. The beauty of PPC advertising lies in its ability to reach the right people at the right time. By targeting specific keywords and demographics, your ads are displayed to users who are actively searching for products or services like yours. This targeted approach ensures that your message is seen by a highly relevant audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Whether you're looking to drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales, PPC advertising provides a versatile and effective platform to achieve your marketing objectives. The popularity of PPC advertising is undeniable, and its impact on the digital marketing landscape continues to grow. As more businesses recognize the power of targeted advertising and data-driven optimization, PPC has become an indispensable tool for reaching new customers, increasing brand visibility, and driving revenue growth in today's competitive online marketplace. While PPC advertising offers immense potential, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that come with the territory. One of the most significant hurdles is the ever-increasing competition. As more businesses flock to PPC, the bidding landscape becomes more competitive, potentially driving up costs and requiring more strategic campaign management. Another challenge is ad fatigue, a phenomenon that occurs when your target audience is repeatedly exposed to the same ad, leading to banner blindness and decreased engagement. Overcoming ad fatigue requires a constant stream of fresh and engaging ad creatives to capture and maintain audience attention. Regularly updating your ad copy and visuals is crucial to combating this challenge. Tracking the success of your PPC campaigns can also be challenging, especially for newcomers. With a plethora of metrics to monitor, it's crucial to identify the key performance indicators that align with your specific business goals. This involves understanding how metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per conversion contribute to your overall ROI. Finally, managing PPC costs effectively is paramount to running successful campaigns. Without proper budget allocation, bid management, and ongoing optimization, PPC costs can quickly escalate, impacting your profitability. It's crucial to establish clear campaign goals, define your target audience, and continuously monitor and adjust your bids to ensure you're getting the most out of your advertising spend. While the challenges of PPC advertising are undeniable, they are far from insurmountable. By implementing the right strategies, you can overcome these obstacles and unlock the true potential of PPC for your business. One of the most effective ways to combat competition is through meticulous keyword research and targeting. Understanding your target audience is paramount to PPC success. By identifying their needs, pain points, and online behavior, you can tailor your ad campaigns to resonate with their interests and motivations. Conducting thorough market research, analyzing competitor strategies, and leveraging audience insights from platforms like Google Analytics can provide invaluable data to inform your PPC targeting. Crafting compelling and eye-catching ad copy is crucial for capturing attention in crowded digital spaces. Your ad copy should be concise, benefit-oriented, and aligned with the user's search intent. Use strong calls to action to encourage immediate action and highlight your unique selling proposition to differentiate yourself from competitors. A/B testing. Different ad variations can help you identify what resonates best with your target audience. Optimizing your campaigns for return on investment is essential for long-term PPC success. This involves continuously monitoring your campaign performance, identifying areas for improvement, and making data-driven adjustments. Regularly analyze your ad spend, conversion rates, and other relevant metrics to ensure your campaigns are delivering a positive return on your investment. The reach of PPC advertising extends far beyond Google Ads, encompassing a multitude of platforms, each with its own unique audience and targeting options. TikTok, the social media platform known for its short-form videos, has emerged as a PPC powerhouse, particularly for reaching younger demographics. Its immersive ad formats and advanced targeting capabilities make it an attractive option for businesses looking to connect with Gen Z and millennial consumers. Facebook, with its vast user base and granular targeting options, remains a dominant player in the PPC landscape. Its ability to target users based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and connections makes it an incredibly powerful tool for reaching your ideal customers. Facebook's ad platform offers a range of ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more, allowing you to tailor your creatives to different campaign objectives. Instagram, Facebook's visually driven counterpart, provides a platform for businesses to showcase their products or services through visually appealing ad experiences. With its focus on aesthetics and storytelling, Instagram is ideal for brands in industries like fashion, beauty, travel, and food. Instagram's ad formats integrate seamlessly with the platform's native content, providing a non-intrusive way to reach your target audience. Exploring PPC advertising across different platforms allows you to diversify your reach, tap into new customer segments, and maximize your brand's visibility in the digital landscape. By understanding the strengths of each platform and tailoring your campaigns accordingly, you can effectively engage with your target audience across multiple touch points.